As Elon Musk once stated,
That's the sort of thing that needs to happen for humanity to have a great future in space. So we want to keep pushing that.
and now that vision is no longer just talk, because after that he even hinted on X that very likely that a home with clean power that's lower cost than utility plus blackout protection via Powerwall will have a positive effect on value. And that is the way the $5,795 Tesla tiny house is finally hitting the market. But what's inside this game share? Today we reveal the shocking upgrades inside Tesla's latest trial model. From a completely redesigned kitchen and bathroom system to the radical option of adding wheels directly to the foundation, turning a home into something you can literally move like a vehicle.
Stay tuned.
Hit subscribe and tap the bell so you don't miss the details. 1. How does this $5,795 tiny house offer spaciousness in just 300 square feet? Picture a home that's only 300 square feet, but feels like a mansion. How is that even possible without feeling cramped? This is where Tesla's $5,795 tiny house completely changes the game. At a glance, 300 square foot may sound impossibly small, but when broken down, it reveals a masterclass in space engineering. The design allocates 100 square feet to a living room that allows for relaxation and family time, 80 square feet to a bedroom designed for restful sleep, 60 square feet to a kitchen that supports full meal preparation, 40 feet to a bathroom with an integrated shower and a WC, and 20 square feet to a bedroom feet to a multifunctional entryway that doubles as storage. Every square foot is intentional, and it's the precision of this zoning that makes the space feel larger than it is. Now, many of you might be skeptical and wonder, where's the kitchen and bathroom? That's the classic doubt with tiny homes, because even some people assume they're just glorified bedrooms on wheels. But Tesla's model refuses to compromise. The kitchen is compact yet complete, fitted with scaled-down but functional appliances that rival what you'd find in a standard apartment. The bathroom has a full shower WC and efficient fixtures, all designed to fit within 40 square feet. This means you're not sacrificing essentials. You're gaining efficiency. The arrangement itself is what makes this house flow naturally. You enter through the multifunctional entryway at the front. Step directly into the open-plan living room centrally located for gathering with the kitchen positioned to the right side for a smooth cooking workflow. At the rear, the bedroom offers privacy and quiet while the bathroom is smartly located to the left, accessible both from the living space and the bedroom. With all rooms kept within 10 feet of each other, you reduce unnecessary movement, making day-to-day life smooth, natural, and less tiring, especially for older owners who value convenience. But here's where Tesla adds another layer of brilliance: expansion potential. Modular panels allow up to 150 additional square ft through snap-on extensions, each estimated at just $2,000. Imagine adding an extra bedroom or workspace and transforming this house into a 450-foot haven, all without tools or permits in most U.S. areas. This isn't just a static home. It's a living system that grows with you. The genius goes even further. Tesla's approach squeezes out 20% more usable space by leaning heavily on vertical storage. Shelving, foldable furniture, and built-in compartments make the $5,795 price tag feel like a steal when you compare it to the $30,000 or more you'd pay for average U.S. tiny homes. That's why many people see this not just as a home, but as proof of the same efficient design logic that Tesla is applying to its super electric plane, maximizing limited space without losing comfort. For many of us who've downsized after raising families, this house feels like a whisper from the past. You don't have to sacrifice space for affordability. It carries that nostalgic sense of a cozy home filled with warmth, but with Tesla's futuristic twist that excites you about what's next. It's proof you can age gracefully without the burden of a big empty house. Now, I want to hear from you. If you were given the chance to live in this 300 square F-foot Tesla tiny house, which feature would you value the most? 1. The 100 square F-foot living room that feels open and welcoming. 2. The modular expansion that allows you to add up to 150 more square foot. 3. The full kitchen and bathroom integration that makes it feel like a real home. Type 1, 2, or 3 in the comments to show your choice. I want to know which part would make this house feel truly livable for you. And keep watching. We will uncover the 2 shocking areas that you've been asking for a long time. 2. How did the kitchen and bathroom outshine every other tiny home on the market? Envision a kitchen that cooks smarter and a bathroom that pampers like a spa, all in a space smaller than your old garage. Tesla is proving that even in a 60 square foot kitchen and a 40-foot bathroom, you can have features that outshine every other tiny home on the market. These aren't gimmicks. They are tested engineering upgrades that transform daily living into something safer, faster, and more sustainable. And yes, they are designed to fit inside a unit priced at only $5,795. The kitchen stands as the first proof point. In just 60 square feet, Tesla has managed to create a workspace that cooks 50% faster than gas using solar-powered induction cooktops. The integrated water filtration system recycles up to 80% of gray water, meaning sustainability is not an afterthought. It is built into every dish you wash. Appliances are fully voice-activated through Tesla's AI ecosystem, which reduces strain and makes cooking accessible to anyone, even those with limited mobility. And a compact 100L refrigerator optimized with AI shelving holds a week's worth of groceries for 2 while consuming 30% less energy than a standard model. Add to that a 1,500W convection oven that bakes evenly in half the time, plus a small dining nook with 2 chairs, and you have a complete, efficient, family-ready setup. Compare that to the broader market, where surveys show that 40% of tiny homes don't even have full kitchens, and the contrast is undeniable. Next, the bathroom amplifies the innovation even further. Inside just 40 square feet, Tesla integrates a zero-gravity shower that uses 90% less water, while still delivering full coverage. That alone can save about 15,000 gallons per year per household. Surfaces are antimicrobial, eliminating 99.9% of bacteria and making hygiene maintenance effortless. The composting WC doesn't just minimize waste, it transforms it into usable fertilizer, eliminating the frustrations that 55% of tiny house owners report with Porta Potties.